In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting right from your Monday.com account. And by the end, you'll have the integration ready to use so you can easily export your board data into Google Sheets. First, open your Monday.com workspace and go to the specific project or board that you want to work with. This is the board whose data you eventually want to sync or export into Google Sheets, so make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation or settings area and click on the highlighted menu option shown in the interface. From there, choose the administration section. This takes you into the admin area of Monday.com, where you can manage connections, permissions, and apps for your account or workspace. You'll need to have the right admin permissions to continue, so if you don't see this option, you may need to ask your workspace admin to follow these steps. Inside Administration, click on the Connections tab. This is where Monday.com manages how it talks to other tools. Then select Automation Connections. Even though we're focusing on an integration, this is still the area where you control the apps that can automate data between Monday.com and other platforms. Now click on Explore Integrations. This opens the Integrations and Apps section where you can search the marketplace. In the search bar, type the highlighted keyword you see on screen so you can quickly filter the list. When the categories appear, click on Marketplace Apps to make sure you're looking at apps available from the Monday.com marketplace. From the results, locate the app called Export to Google Sheets and click on it. If there's another search bar inside the app page, type the highlighted term again to refine the view if needed. Once you're on the app details page, click on Try It Now. This will start the installation or setup process for your account. Follow the prompts and click on the highlighted buttons as they appear, then choose Export to Google Sheets when that option is shown again. You may see Export to Google Sheets more than once. Go ahead and click it each time to confirm you want to use this app for your workspace. When prompted, click on Use App. This tells Monday.com that you're ready to actually enable and configure it. You might see Use App again on the next screen. Click it once more. Then, when the Add App button appears, click on Add App to finalize the installation for your account or specific workspace. After the app is added, return to your board by clicking the highlighted navigation area that takes you back to your project. From here, the Export to Google Sheets integration is now available, and you can start using it to send your Monday.com board data directly into Google Sheets whenever you need.